I'm going to unbox and give you my first impression of this oil sprayer set. Okay, it looks like it's well packaged. Oh, look at this. Wow, I love the design of this. Before I test all this out, let's just make sure the other one is the same. Yeah, I thought so. There's other things in this one. So the nice thing about this is you get 2 bottles and you get a nice little cleaner, which is great. These are great because they just slip in like this. And then you can reach inside and really clean this out well. Makes cleaning really easy. So there's that. And then, oh, this is nice. You get an extra vacuum straw. And each unit comes with a seal, so it's gonna be leak proof. So let's put those in. And I'm gonna pull out the extra straw and set this up. Okay, you put the small end of the straw in here, and then the washer on so it doesn't leak. And then let's test one out here. Let's put a little oil in. I'm going to wash these before I use them properly. I'm going to put them in boiling water and sterilize them, but just for the sake of this video, let's put them in like this. Okay, now let's show me using this in real life. Okay, so let's say you've got a potato and you're gonna throw it in the air fryer. Oh, that works great. Love that. And then you could also just pour the oil out too if you're gonna make a salad dressing. I love that. These are great. I'm going to sterilize these. I love that you can wash them really easily, and you could sit them on your table. You could have an oil and vinegar on your table, and then you could just you don't even have to make your salad dressing ahead of time. You can just spray oil and vinegar on your salad dressing. So many uses for these. I think these are great. They work well, and I'm super happy with this purchase. Love that it comes with an extra straw and something to clean it with. I think these are great.